It's your boy Moseefus, the 20 view king, and everything I do get 20 views. This one could go for a while. I'm not gonna do it just because I don't feel like doing it. But yeah, that's for the people that think they could do the intro longer than me. I don't think it's possible. When I get in that, and start vibrating, ain't much you could do with me keeping that note going. But we gonna see. I'm waiting on people to start sending submissions in. I had Rock New Era do it. Terminator did it. Timson did it. I'm trying to see who else would do it. DK did it all day, but he ain't trying to sustain the That's the key part. We back though. We back Monday shuffle. Wednesday we're gonna be here doing the Dono/Terminator list because he is dominant. He's a dominant force in these YouTube streets. Respect Terminator songs, man. Respect Terminator songs. And Friday we got the live request. Live request is a toss up. You know what I mean? If nobody puts down any super chats, it's all free requests. If the super chats start flowing, it gets kind of crazy. We got up to $15 super chat last Friday. We did that. Because you had to bid over each other because there's only 12 songs I'm doing a day, and 10 of them are picked by the chat or picked by the day. Alright, let's see what the shuffle brings. It's the first shuffle after the break. Let's see what we got. This is date added newest. We got Rush Wolf in the chat. We got Football in the chat. Football said listen to Blaze Territory. Let me add that after this one, Football. I ain't see you, my bad. Let me add that after this one. So they added newest. We just added Team Backpack. That was Rush Wolf's suggestion. Alright, see what we're gonna get.
Check it out, DJ Ski.
Okay. I've never heard this. One. Hurricane Chris, Bizzy Bone, and the Game. Real Gangstas. Alright, that's crazy. Yeah, add some Tucker. I appreciate that, man. Anything is plenty, man. Anything is plenty. We gotta fight this Terminator surge, man. He got everything. I don't want a whole Terminator day. Terminator is awesome. That's my dude that he supports. But every song from Wednesday and Thursday cannot be Terminator's suggestion. We can't do that. Like, it can't be my suggestion. It's just Wednesday and Thursday, so it can't be Terminator. I mean, it's just rules. He's dominant though. He makes it hard for that not to be the case. Alright, we got the Game featuring Hurricane Chris and Bizzy Bone. Check it out, man. Real Gangstas. I'm not in the Game fan. Hurricane Chris is nice though. Hurricane Chris is nice. Looking for them niggas that hollering that they was gangsta. I'm riding with my notes on, mask on, bang. We gon' teach you niggas about fucking with real gang. Yeah, I'm hammered up and damn it up. 2, 2, 2, 3s when a chopper blow. And I be loading banana clip, toting my khaki suit represent what I be rolling the phantom roof. So he gonna try to do the bone flow on this. I respect that. I like when artists do that because I mean you gotta recognize ain't nobody else really doing that flow except for Bone. So when you work with Bone, you gotta at least try it out, right? Biggie, yeah, I heard Biggie took days to do his. I'm riding with my notes on, mask on, bang. We gon' teach you niggas about fucking with real gang. Yeah, I'm hammered up and damn it up. 2, 2, 2, 3s when a chopper blow. And I be loading banana clip, toting my khaki suit represent what I be rolling the phantom roof open. I'm smoking. Cincinnati red on my head, no joking. Might be joking, but I ain't slipping. My clock ain't smoking like I'm smoking. Purple haze, riding with K, split a nigga wig. Fuck what he did. It is what it is. Gotta live how I live. Blackbird can't grab until I'm gone from this bitch. Till that day come, I'm running up, asking where you from. Hoping that your swagger came with a motherfucking gun, so we can shoot. He behind a lot of rappers, yo. Like literally, just like that. Behind them, on their shoulders, beside them. Let me stop talking shit. It is what it is. Gotta live how I live. Blackbird can't grab until I'm gone from this bitch. Till that day come, I'm running up, asking where you from. Hoping that your swagger came with a motherfucking gun, so we can shoot it out. Every day a nigga gotta bring the Ruger out, no fooling about when the tools is out. We just think that's how Bone spit. They don't really spit like that, man. That's your interpretation. E times 2, motherfucker, we hitting the frost. My chopper to me is like Ricky to Ross. The longer the clip, the bigger the boss. They throwing it up.
Yeah, I'm waiting for Bizzy at Hurricane Chris. I hate
These ride by, we flipping them off. Take off the shield, we kicking it off. Play off safety like Champ Bailey. Throwing my way, I'm picking it off. Cadillac, Escalade, candy paint, chopping blades. Looking for them niggas that hollering that they was gangsta. On the backseat of the Lexi. Looking for them niggas who hollering that they was gangsta.
I like this. This bop is cool though. Bop is real cool. It's old though. Like 10 years ago, this would have been my shit. Yeah, there you go.
Looking for them haters who hollering about they gon' do me something, but I know they ain't gon' do me nothing, cause they don't really pose a threat. But if they really don't pose a threat, then why you tripping like you tripping? Cause I gotta go get my respect. I'm sticking the clip in the back.
So Hurricane Chris caught a body recently, right? Like he caught a body recently. He's fighting it. He's fighting it on the outside though. Like apparently he got a good case, but yeah, he caught a body.
Something, but I know they ain't gonna do me nothing, cause they don't really pose a threat. But if they really don't pose a threat, then why?
I try to be no chatty patty, like.
Cause I gotta go get my respect. I'm sticking the clip
Respect to that man.
They made it at the bitch niggas that play me like a hoe. I've been gangsta since I was 4, and I'm so cutthroat that it really don't make sense.
Play me like a hoe. I've been gangsta since I was 4.
Enough to make the pilot leave the cockpit. Yo, chick wanna get ratchet. That bitch told me I'm the top of it. I got so much money, they invented a new wallet. My swag to the maximum.
I got so much money, they invented.
None of you little bitch ass boys don't want no problems. Most of them niggas who want they guns be some cowards. 100 round drum, 100 buns at the mileage. We keep dirty revival. Ass boys don't want no problems. Most of them niggas who bump they guns be some cowards. 100 round drum, 100 buns at the mileage. We keep dirty revolvers.
100 round drums, 100 buns.
Ride by his house without no toasting and let them choppers speak, bitch. Cadillac, Escalade, candy paint, chopping blades. Looking for them niggas that hollering that they was.
Hurricane Chris is nice though. That A-Bay Babe kind of short-ended him, but he's rich. Like he has money. Like he was on Vlad talking high. Like, like he says, I'm a failure type shit. He's not a failure, definitely not. Not with having a hit song like that. A ghetto gab, mama couldn't grab me with hangers. Like she couldn't even abort me. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Mama couldn't grab me with hanger. Triple shots of tank and lawyers with no retainer. Niggas caught me an animal. I'm for revolution. Let's kill anything moving like Huey Newton's and Lucent's my recruiter. Black Panthers and Black Talons.
Bizzy's on one in this verse.
Face breakers for talent. 1 million. Keep you hostage with all your children.
Yo, Bizzy's killing this shit. This ain't the bone flow at all. This is Bizzy doing his shit. Bizzy can rap. You can do the bone flow and you can rap. That's why I ain't like that Enigma shit, I think it was. Carbon Monoxide.
Mama couldn't grab me with hanger. Triple shots of tank and lawyers with no retainer. Niggas caught me an animal. I'm for revolution. Let's kill anything moving like Huey Newton's and Lucent's my recruiter. Black Panthers and Black Talons on
my recruiters.
Face breakers for talent. 1 million. Keep you hostage with all your children. Hold up my ransom. I'm psychotic like sharks, fans and hoes. The vernacular blood, circulate vacular, little monster.
I think I'm.
That's my stilo. I thought that wouldn't sell without you. So 5 kilos. I'm a survivor.
Yo, Bizzy, he put his foot in it. He put his foot in this shit. He's going there. He's acting a fool.
I thought that wouldn't sell without you. So 5 kilos. I'm a survivor. My niggas is dope killers and riders. Killers Incorporated. Hate it. They despise us. Mama, they try to kill me. I often wonder why. Mr. Brooklyn, you know what's cracking. Let niggas die. I'm a genius.
Yeah, man, Bizzy is something else. He edited it perfectly. He's a classic, man. He's a treasure. I love Bizzy. I don't even know what half that was. He was just going in. He was just going stupid on that track. That was stupid. He didn't even like do the. He just went. He must have been drunk. That sounded like drunk Bizzy right there. That sounded like Bizzy under some influence. That sounds like Bizzy with the musket gun. He got anger issues on the low. Alright, let's see what the chat said about that. He crazy. I love Bizzy, but he crazy. He went ham on that shit. Yeah, Bizzy went ham on that shit. Alright, that was the game featuring Hurricane Chris and Bizzy doing Real Gangstas. Alright, we got that one. Let's have that one.